Good morning, it's Selena Cooks here. So today being on a weekend guys, I decided to make French toast for breakfast. So let's begin with our preparation guys. So I'm going to go in with my eggs. I have my 2 eggs. My eggs. So I'm going to beat these eggs. Sorry guys, again I don't have a bowl. You just understand. Then I'm going to go in with my milk. Hi guys, it's really going to be delicious. I'm telling you, it's really going to be nice. Then I'm going to go in with my sugar. I just add 1 tablespoon, depending on your taste buds. You might like yours sweet, but mine I'm just going to go in with 1 tablespoon. That is not even going to be that full. So added my sugar, guys. Then I have my cinnamon here. So I'm adding my cinnamon, like 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon actually, not 1 teaspoon. So here's my cinnamon. I've added my cinnamon. Then go with a pinch of salt. I'm just going to add like a pinch of salt in here. Then mix this both well, guys. As you can see, I'm mixing I've added in here eggs, milk, cinnamon powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt. So let me mix this. So I'm going to set aside. Then now I'm going to work on my bread. So I'm going to cut my bread into, let me show you how I'm going to cut my bread. I'm going to cut them into these pieces here, you see? Yeah, these pieces. Yeah. Hey guys, let me tell you I'm starving right now. Hey, but my breakfast is going to be delicious. You know I can cook. I'm a good chef. I believe in myself. I know I make good food. I cook good food. Yeah. So let's check it out, guys. Anyway, let me heat my pan. That's it. So guys, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my bread, the one I had sliced earlier, then dip in these eggs. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little oil on my pan. Just a little bit. Just dip it, don't overdo it. Then now I'm going to put my egg here, my dipped bread here. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the bread. Something like this. Yep. This is how we make French toast, guys. Just try my recipe and you're going to love it. Try it and you're going to love it, guys. I'm really going to enjoy this French toast of mine today. Yeah, so let's wait and see. So guys, I've already flipped my toast. Just look at them, guys. They're really going to be delicious. Really nice. So guys, let's flip our French toast. Let's see. Wow. Eish. Wow, guys. Wow. Hey. Wow. I just love the color. Look at the color, guys. Look at my French toast. Very nice. Yeah. They're very good, guys. Eish. Wow. So guys, my French toast is ready. Let me take this one out of the pan. Wow, guys. Wow. Eish. Wow. Look at my French toast, guys. Trust me, it's really delicious. Hey, I just wish someone would just come and taste this. I'm telling you, they're really nice. To add a little bit of oil again. And just repeat the same procedure. So I'm adding my bread there. Just turn it. Then take it out. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the eggs. Yeah. It's so simple, guys. Making French toast is really simple. Honestly speaking. It's a 1+1 thing, guys. For those who don't know how to make French toast, trust me, it's a 1+1. 1+1 thing. So simple. Ah, guys, I don't know, but I really enjoy cooking. Honestly, I enjoy cooking. Cooking is something that is my passion. It's something I love to do. I can do anytime. Even when I'm not feeling okay, I can just cook. Yeah, so let's deal with those ones first. I'm really going to enjoy my breakfast right now. So let's wait for this one to cook. Then we're going to flip them. Let's flip this one. Wow. Wow, guys. So it's really nice. Wow. Hey, just look at that, guys. Hey, I'm really going to enjoy my breakfast. Honestly. Hey. By the way, cooking, most things like making French toast is something anyone can do. So for those who think they can't cook, believe me, you can cook. It's a matter of practicing, yeah, and doing more practice. Yeah, so let me check these ones out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oil down here on the pan. So you can just cook. Okay. Eh, and it's hot. I'm feeling hot. I'm even sweating. Huh? Guys, I'm in the coastal area, so you have to understand. It's hot over here. The temperature is not normal, especially right now. It's a bit high. So let me check these ones out. Yeah, okay. They are good. My French toast are good to go. Yep, they're okay. They're good to be taken out of the pan. So let's do this, guys. So let me check these ones out. Imagine it's so simple. Making a French toast is easy. Anyone can do it. Like I said, it's a 1+1 thing. So let's check this one out. I'm actually finishing up. I'm winding up with my work here. I'm just adding a little bit of oil. But if you have butter, you can also add butter and oil. But I have only oil, guys. I don't have butter here. So let's finish up. Finishing up my work here, guys. So guys, let me finish up with this one and enjoy my breakfast. Honestly, I'm starving. I'm really starving right now. Hey, so let's wait up and see. But I can tell you my French toast is delicious. Honestly, it's nice. Look at the color. It's really good. Yeah, I know it's delicious because I believe in myself. I'm a good cook, guys. Let's check this one out, guys. I'm going to flip this. Wow. I can't wait to eat this French toast. Just look at the color, guys. The color is nice. Oh, the color is good. I love mine this way, and it's really good. Anyway, guys, basically that's it. So my French toast here is my French toast, and they're really delicious. I haven't tasted them, but I can tell you they're delicious because I believe in myself. So, guys, just look at my French toast once again. So, guys, just go try my recipe. Go make one of these, maybe today or tomorrow. Anytime you want to make them, just feel free to follow my step-to-step guide and make yours too. And trust me, guys, you're really going to enjoy them. Honestly, you will enjoy my recipe. And feel free to comment in the comment section. Bring your feedbacks, guys. Yeah, and tell me, Selena, your recipe was amazing. It was delicious, guys. Yeah, and I'll be happy, guys. Things like these, they motivate me. Yeah, and if you haven't liked my recipe again, you can just tell me to Selena, I didn't like your recipe. Yeah, guys. So basically that's it. So let me enjoy my breakfast, guys. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.